Governor Scott Walker has ordered all flags be lowered in honor of the Supreme Court justice who had close ties to Milwaukee. Michelle Fiore has more on his connections to our area.
Katie, Justice Scalia left his mark, especially on the Marquette campus. He returned to the school for events and made a lasting impression on the dean at the Marquette University Law School. This is Justice Scalia in 2010, attending the dedication of a hall at the Marquette Law School. The dean was a law clerk for Scalia in the 90s. He sent us this statement saying, "I shall miss him very much, so too will America." He was a rare combination of intelligence and personality.
Probably the strongest way that Justice Scalia will be remembered is his fiery decisions.
At UW-Milwaukee, Professor Mordecai Lee is anticipating how Justice Scalia's passing could impact the landscape of the highest court in the nation.
We could have a year or longer of 4-4 votes. The country is not well served by tie votes on the Supreme Court.
He says the court is now left with 3 conservatives, 4 liberals, and 1 justice. That's more middle of the road. A presidential nomination would need Senate approval.
We're going to be seeing how the Constitution works when you've got divided government. Will it be paralyzed or will it be able to compromise? In theory, a vacancy could be left indefinitely. I think the advice to President Obama is going to be find a moderate Republican who's a current federal judge and who would be acceptable to Republicans, and name him or her.
We're also hearing that Justice Scalia had ties to a Milwaukee law firm. According to the Journal Sentinel, Scalia worked as a clerk for the offices of Foley and Lardner between his 2nd and 3rd years at Harvard Law School. Katie?
All right, thanks, Michelle.